story. Yes, tell me more.
I'm lost and gay.
You lost what?
On a hyper low key. Yet
Yes,
you don't
you're so
know me.
low.
Gotta keep it
It's
that
me keep
way.
on going and going
Oh,
and don't
Hosea,
stop. It's me
Hosea,
keep
Hosea,
on
tell them.
flowing and flowing just like clouds. Oh God, life goes on. That's what I keep on
Life
saying
goes
to
on.
myself. No pause. Even though I got a lot of flaws. Even though I got
Yo, what's up, Khasi people? Megalia. Kumno pilong paralog, everyone. So hope everyone is doing well, guys. So I'm good, guys. I'm so good, and you can see me here reacting to you guys. So thanks God, thanks Jehovah, guys. So today we are back again to Meba Ofilia, guys. I love reacting to this girl, though most of his song I'm getting copyright for it, but I love it because I feel great and happy also to promote such talented female, guys. Like, she's so talented, guys. Like, I found Meba Ofilia, Jessie Lyndoh also. Those are the people I will never stop reacting to them because they are really doing, they are talented. Just know that they are among the best female singers in Shillong, okay? And they are my favorite now, Jessie Lyndoh and Meba. So today there is one music here by the title Hosea. The guy is Hosea. Hosea feat Meba Ofilia. Keep it that way, okay? Just keep it that way. If that way is correct, keep it. If it's wrong, then don't listen to the music title. Keep it another way. But Meba Ofilia is telling you, keep it that way. Let's check which way does Meba Ofilia want us to keep it, guys. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to my channel because this channel is only for you, the Khasi Meghallian people. Thank you so much. Kublai Shibon for all the support, guys. I'm still with you. Let's go. Don't waste time. Vision Motion. It's my second time also getting the music or reacting from Vision Mission. Vision Motion.
You know my name.
Okay? Yes, I know your name. What are you telling? Say.
You heard my story.
For sure, I heard your
You
story. I
know
know.
my name.
Correct. I know your
You
name,
heard
Meba
my
Ofilia.
story.
But not
You
complete
don't know
story.
me.
Yes, tell me more.
I'm lost and gay.
You lost what?
On a hyper low key. Yet
Yes,
you don't
you're so
know me.
low.
Gotta keep it
It's me
that
keep
way.
on going and going
Oh,
and don't
Hosea,
stop. It's me
Hosea,
keep
Hosea,
on
tell them.
flowing and flowing just like clouds. Oh God, life goes on. That's what I keep on
Life
saying
goes
to
on.
myself. No pause. Even though I got a lot of flaws. Even though I got a lot of bras. Just pull me down to the ground. But I was meant to be at the pinnacle. This ain't a minimum.
You are high,
Food
bro.
on the
No
table
one
to
will
bring
bring
on
you
and
to the
on.
ground.
Reminiscing to my past days. For so long, got a body in my side.
Yes,
Just me,
if
myself,
you
and I.
focus on the
On the
past,
mic,
we
set
have
it form
gone
like a
forward
samurai.
ahead.
With these lines, I try to revive again my life. Mama told me what could slide. Kapor kan sa
Oh,
batay.
Mama told you what could
Headphones
slide.
just on my ears. I take
What
care
is
of
that?
my
What could
atmosphere.
slide?
Spend no space for fear. Let me clear one thing.
Bro,
here.
relax,
Tell the
little
world, man,
bit,
stay
man.
prepared.
That's
Love
too
is all that I
fast.
share, and that's 100%. See, I'm a gentleman, I don't got time for the nonsense. Even the compliments, it's just the way I rock. Flow so calm, I mean. Flow so hot, just like the girl named Roxy. My city's getting older. Each and every step she take, I'm proud of her. No cut, but saying real.
Relax,
No
relax,
bragging, just me
bro.
on the
You're
field.
too
Find me
fast,
on the microphone.
man.
Find me on the microphone to the spill and I reveal.
You know my name.
Yes, lady, I know your name. You're Meba Ofilia, among the best singers, among the best female musician in Shillong, in Meghalaya, not Shillong, in Meghalaya in general. Honestly, it's my first time also checking this guy, guys. Let me just speak about the Hosea here because if I will keep watching, I might forget. I might forget giving him the telling the what he deserves, guys. Like, this Hosea is my first time reacting to this guy. I don't know, is it true? Did he has any collaboration with with this lady before? Anyway, it's my first time. Those people, they are representing Meghalaya in a global way. This is what I'm trying to speak, man. Like, this guy, he was rapping, as he was singing. Let me say, is it rap or hip hop? The way he was rapping, it was so fast, man. It was so fast. And what I love the most, like, his accent also is so clear, guys. It's so clear. That's why I love watching the Northeast people, man. Their English is so easy and so clear to understand. If you guys, the Northeast India, if you go outside the world, believe me, people will not think you guys are Indian because you speak so beautiful accent, even better than mine. I think so. Also, I really did. I just love this part, and we still want to know more about them. Let's watch because we just knew them right now. Let's go.
You heard my story. Yet you don't
We
know
heard your
me.
story.
I've lost and gained.
If you don't know,
On a high
I
but
am
low
lost.
key. Yet you don't know me. Better keep it that way. Well, they said better dream on instead
Tell
of
them,
preaching.
lady.
Some of us don't know what to believe in. It's your faith that'll keep you alive. All the money in the world that'll never suffice. Oh, I want you to tell me something I don't know. Should I
Tell them,
hold
tell
on
them.
to
We'll
a
tell you
feeling
after.
or let go? 'Cause when I need it, I got it. You're faking it shows. I don't need you to tell me that's the way the game goes. 'Cause when I need
Yes.
it, I got it.
Because you know which
You're
game
faking
you're
it
playing,
shows. I don't
lady.
need you to tell me that's the way
See
the
how the
game
way
goes.
how the game goes. She knows her game. She knows how she's doing the game. That's trust, confident.
You know my name. You
Your
heard my
name is
story.
Meba
You
Ofilia,
don't know me.
and you are the baddest singer,
I'm lost
the
and
best female singer.
on a high but
That
low
I
key.
know. I
You
lost
don't know
and
me.
cheat.
You know my name. You heard my
Yes, I
story.
know your name.
You don't
You
know
heard
me.
my
You
story.
don't know me.
You don't know me. You don't know her, guys. This lady is trying to tell you that you still don't know her. What she's trying to say here that there is still things that you guys are going to be shocked of. You're going to be surprised of. She's going to take you guys to another level. Like that is the best collaboration ever. I'm saying, guys, this is one of the best song also I'm watching currently, guys. Like speechless but impressed. Okay, this is really so nice. And this guy Hosea is from which place in Meghalaya, bro? You really you really did great, bro. I just love the way you sing, bro. I just really love it. It shows full confidence, and the song, like in general, is so good, guys. It's so good how you both collaborated. And Meba Ofilia this time, like she was so low key and so calm. As she used to tell you, I'm so low key. She's so low key, but deep down, she knows what is inside because she's telling you don't know her. She's still gonna make you guys proud. That is really amazing. Thank you so much for suggesting this beautiful music video. It's okay getting copyright, but I'm pretty sure you guys will all love the reaction of this music, guys. What do you think about them, guys? Can you rate those people? Maybe Ophila. Can you rate her, guys, from 1 to 10? Me, I'll give her 9, guys. Jose is also great, but it's my first time. Next time, it's my first time reacting to him. Next time, I will rate her, but yes, Jose is talented. I'm saying you, it's so good. But I want to watch more of his individual song, guys. I already reacted to Meva alone, some collaboration and his own music, guys. So I came to find out she's good. She's really good, guys. She's best. She's so good to represent Meghalaya globally. Yeah, all the best for the team. Love from Africa. Don't forget. Don't forget. Subscribe. God bless you, both.